Yeah, my people, back on the grounds. You hear me? You guys done seen me landing down, being on the plane, but you guys didn't see me weeding up the place. Sorry about that. Didn't have my phone with me. Just got the phone, so now this is what I'm out there doing. You know what I'm saying? So that was the what y'all didn't see. That was what y'all didn't see. You know. So from this point on, you guys gonna see what's going on. Just came. Weed, as you can see, is a lot of grass. It was a lot of grass. You hear me? No. Probably when the sun come out, because it's raining right now, I'm gonna burn out. Light a fire, burn the grass on the ground, and then start casting the top. It's either one or two. I can't do, you gotta go with the money flow. I keep telling y'all, but it's either casting the floor or putting the fence up. So let me see tomorrow when I do the math for my little money I got. I'm gonna see what's gonna come first: casting the floor or putting the fence on. You know, I wish you guys could have leave your comment and let me know what to do first. But since we're not on those live streaming platform, I'm gonna have to make this up and talk to you guys in a few. But stay tuned. This is what I'm out here doing. You know, you guys see a lot of grass done weed up. You know, I'm sitting here, this part right there, man. This part got to come off. You know, after I cast forward, and the column them is going up. So it's a couple of things. I'm sitting there thinking about, should I just break this down, go up, steal off, and then worry about all the living in situation later, because I don't think I could live in why it's going up. That's gonna be a headache, because this roof gotta come off. I gotta take this roof off and keep working. Put the steel up, do the column, and then go from there. And when I come back, we're gonna put it together. So it's one step at a time. Got people in this community you're gonna see. I gotta see if they want to be on camera first, but you're gonna see. I'm tired. I ain't sleep yet since I've been down. I came last night exactly. So fast I'm moving already down here. Putting the situation together, clean the land up. Tomorrow I'm bringing in the steel, cement, and see how we could maneuver to get this casting go and keep things moving. So see y'all in a few. You don't know. Stay tuned to the channel, Guyana Beautiful Life. We back in action. You don't know.